Good morning. I'm gonna just vlog today. I have some new products that I want to review and give you like my first impressions. I all received them like in the week before we left, so I don't really have the time to unpack and try them out. So I just decided to keep them for the trip. Yeah, and then I'm gonna meet up with Ace. He is working from like a co-working space right now. I hope there's going to be enough light for me to film right here, but these are the products that I'm going to use. I'm going to use the new Rose Inc Skin Resolution like a toner because I just took a shower, so I need to tone my face. And since I don't like to use a ton of products when I'm traveling, I'm going to try this MD Solar Sciences. It's a daily moisturizer that also has SPF 30 in it. So yeah, this is my setup. It gets a very damp in this shower. Okay, change of plans. I moved to the bed because the lighting really sucked in there. Everything is pink, so so the first product I'm using is the Rose Inc toner. See the pink lay down here? So you actually have to like kind of shake it up like this. So I'm using my face halos. I just add some of the lotion on here and just apply it to my face. Oh, that smells really weird. I can't really explain it. This one is the Dermalogica a Biolumin C Eye Serum. I like it because it's very thin and it absorbs into the skin really fast. It's hard to dose because there's like so much product coming out already. I just apply it around the eyes, even on the eyelids. That's the nice thing too. Most eye creams, when I wear makeup, I cannot put it on my eyelids because my eyeshadow will crease even with like an eyeshadow base, but this is fine. So I'm using the Daily Perfecting Moisturizer. It's SPF 30. It's hyaluronic acid, niacinamide. Those are the ingredients in here, so that's great. It helps hydrate and restore your skin. The packaging is really nice. I love it. I got the color LX060. So yeah, let's see how that works. I look really pale today. I don't know if you can see, it looks a little dark. But also I realized my batteries were not charged, so there are two others charging right now while this is probably about to die. So yeah, the battery died. So while I was getting the other battery, I actually buffed in the foundation. It's on the darker side right now, definitely. As you can see, I am super pale right now, so I'll have to like cover that up a little bit with some bronzer. Also got the Rose Inc cream blush. The texture looks so weird. Let me see if you can tell. I'm so sorry about my nails. Alright, let me buff that in a little bit. Okay, yeah, it's not as dark as I thought it was. I really like this color. This is definitely a good choice. Because this is really natural. It's like a natural flush. Only when I'm a lot darker, I'm not sure if it will show up. Like in the summer, I'm not sure if it will really show up on my skin. But it looks really good. Let me add some color to these lips. I do like it when the lips and the blush kind of match, at least in undertones. Oh, this is a really nice lip color. I think I like it almost more as a lip color than a blush. That's such a pretty color. The color actually that I'm using is Heliotrope. Heliotrope. I believe everything is named after flowers, so I'm sure it's like some kind of flower. I'm using Studio Sculpt Defining Powder from MAC. Like dab powders on my face and actually like brushing it all over my face because I feel like it could make like foundation or product like move around. So I just dab, especially like on the nose, like press the product in. Personally, I don't have to worry too much about like over powdering because my skin does get oily, so in the beginning it may look a little bit more matte, but I know my skin will absorb all that powder pretty quickly. Oh, that's so pretty. Oops. It looks like the colors I use on a daily basis, so I was hoping that this could be like the top in my bag kind of product, because like you can do your whole face with it, but you can also like use it as eyeshadow and stuff, so it's really, really great. All right, so let's start with this. I'm not sure like how pigmented or anything this is, so I'm probably gonna just go with the lighter sculpting color. Oh, this looks so pretty. Add some shape. I don't know if you can tell. I don't like to like over contour. I don't like it. But like just like a little depth into the face, although I feel like I lost a lot of weight, so there's probably plenty of depth in my face right now. Hopefully I can start eating a ton of food again soon. It's very uninspiring to eat in the US, if I'm being very honest. Even to cook, it's all the ingredients I like to cook with are crazy expensive, and everything I buy, I have to look at the ingredients to make sure it doesn't have like potato chips has food coloring in it. Like it's hard. It's hard to just be healthy on a daily basis over there. So I kind of gave up while we were back. I was like, I'm not feeling it. I don't care. We ate out a lot, which we shouldn't have done probably, but I was not inspired, and I am very excited to be back. So hopefully I can like start cooking again and maybe share some recipes. All right, so what I'm doing right now is actually I'm using a darker color to like make my neck blend into my face, because obviously that was not the right color for me right now. But this is giving me actually a really nice natural finish. Like you see, it matches a lot better. What am I wearing today? Maybe I'll do my chest too a little bit. Okay, that's a lot better. Like it's very subtle, but I think it like blends in a lot better. I don't know if you can tell actually, but I can see it. Brush. I already put on that blush, but with like wearing a mask, being outside a lot, I like to set cream blushes with the powder. This one is it looks super shiny, so we'll see how that goes. I might not even need a highlight. Well, it's pretty pigmented too. But it matches the color of the blush actually really well. It's not super shiny. It gives like just a nice glow. It's definitely not shiny at all. Or, I mean, not at all. It's definitely shiny, but I thought it was gonna give me like a crazy glow maybe. Yeah, it really matches that blush. Like complements it. I don't know if you can tell, but obviously I don't wear blush like very heavy. Can you see the highlight? It looks so good. I think if you have like a lighter skin color than me, this might be too dark, like in general. If you're really fair, this is probably too dark, too orangey too, like the blush. Like for me, orangey coral tones work really well, but I think if you're lighter, it's gonna look way too orange. glow is so pretty. Oh, I feel so happy right now because I haven't worn makeup in like a whole week. And it just makes me happy. Like, not because like I'm insecure or anything, but I just applying makeup is, obviously it used to be my job, so it just makes me really happy. It's kind of like my zen, my what's it called, what people do? Meditation. This is probably kind of similar to meditation, at least for me. I'm gonna use the brow lift in natural brown, and then I'm probably gonna just set it with the clear brow gel. I haven't touched my eyebrows in a long time, as you can see. So I like to set the hairs upwards because my hairs like to droop down. So I'm just gonna brush that through so I can kind of like dry into place while I do my eyeshadow. I'm gonna just use like these two colors, like the pink and the brown color. So I just like, this makeup is so easy and quick. This is like my everyday looks that I wear. There we go. So I just like to warm up my crease, especially since my cheeks are really warm. And like with my eye color, I don't know if you can tell if they just got more blue or not, but, or blue green, I don't know, my eyes keep changing. My eyes just pop so much more. It's like such an easy, quick and easy tip. There we go. Then I like to use like the flat shader brush. I use it to add a highlight to my brow bone to accentuate my eyebrows. And I just like the little glow, like little highlight there. Then I use the same on my eyelid. I like to have like some brightness on the eyes. This is something you could also like pop into like the inner corners of your eye to like kind of open up your eyes like that. I'm using the darker color now with a more concentrated like blending brush to like the outer side of my eyes. I think that's it actually. I think I'm just gonna pop on some mascara, maybe the darker color like kind of slightly underneath. To kind of like finish it off. I really like to comb it through. Usually I actually curl my lashes, but I don't know where my lash curler is right now. My eyes look so blue on this camera. It's crazy. They're not this blue. They're more green actually, I think. Like a green gray. Weird. So we're all done. I wanted to do my hair, or I was gonna do my hair, but I kind of don't want to anymore. I'll just, I don't know, brush it. I'm already over this length. I'm gonna grow it out. All right, so this is my first impressions. The toner, it smells a little weird. It smells like clay, but I hope it works. Obviously this was the first time using it, so I'm not really sure. But I'll let you know like in a month or so, like how it's been working for me. Concealer, this is really nice on my skin. So far, yes, I think this is a great product. And then yeah, the cream blush, I love it as a lipstick. I love it as a blush, it's great, but I want this color in the lipstick right now. Like it's so good. Yeah, and then the Charlotte Tilbury palette, love it. Probably my best purchase in a while, actually. I haven't purchased makeup in a long time because I had so much. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. It's a good color. Like all the colors just look really good. They go with my skin tone really well. So yeah, I'll just see how it goes, if it lasts throughout the day. I'm gonna just film because I'm not really sure what the plan is for today. Apparently Ace is already exploring, so I'm just gonna meet up with him. And he said he has a surprise for me tonight, so we'll see what that is. I'll have to get ready right now and then I'll leave, and yeah, I'll just take you along through Lisbon. Hopefully we can see some nice sights. I would really like to go. They have like a winter wonderland here, so I really want to go there. I think it would be so cute at night. I don't know if you can see all that, but it is so pretty.
What up?
So that dinner was delicious, and now we're gonna explore the Christmas market.